Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about definite integral. This is Calculus 2. This is intended for the students who are majoring in mathematics and freshman engineering students. I have here number 1. Integral from negative 2 to positive 2. The function is x to the fifth minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 dx. So need to evaluate this one. So take note, integral calculus, this will be n plus 1 over n plus 1. So the function should be, the exponent should be added by 1 and then also n plus 1. So this will be x to the 6 over 6 because n plus 1, and then minus, this will be x to the 4th over 4, then plus 3x cubed over 3, then minus 4x from negative 2 to positive 2. So I need to replace this one. So this will be 2 to the power of 6 over 6 minus 2 to the power of 4 over 4, then plus 2 to the power of 3 over, no, there's no over 3 because it will, this already cross out, then minus 4 times 2, then minus, this next is negative 2 raised to the power of 6, and then this will be over 6 minus 2 raised to the 4th power over 4 plus minus 2 raised to the 3rd power, and then 4 times negative 2. Close brackets. This will be, what is 2 to the 6? 2 to the 6 is 64. So this will be 64 over 6 minus 2 to the 4th is 16. So this will be 16 over 4. Then plus 2 to the 3rd power is 8. So this will be 8 minus 4 times 2 is 8. Then minus, circle brackets, the same, 64 over 6. And then this one will be minus 16 over 4. Then this will be, take note, negative 2 raised to the 3rd power. So the exponent is odd. So therefore this is negative 8. So this will be negative 8. Then negative times negative, that will be positive. So take note, cross out this one, cross out also. Okay, so 64 over 6 minus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then minus this one, 64 over 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So take note, they are the same, and then the operation is subtraction. So this will be 64 over 6 minus this one, minus 64 over 6. And then copy this one, minus 4. Negative times negative is positive. So this will be 0, 0. So therefore, the answer for this integral is equal to 0. So, number 2, I have here integral from negative 1 to positive 2. Functions, I have x squared plus 1 times 3x squared plus 1 dx. So, I need to multiply this one by using my algebra. So, this will be 3x squared plus 1, then x squared plus 1. So, multiply, this will be 3x to the 4th plus x squared. Then, this will be 3x squared, then plus 1. So, this will be 3x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus 1. So, this is now my new function Just integral from negative 1 to positive 1. I have here 3x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus 1 dx. Okay? Need to evaluate this one by using integral. Okay, so this will be 3x to the 5th over 5 and then plus 4x cubed over 3 plus x from negative 1 to positive 1. So this will be 3 positive 1 to the 5th over 5 then plus 4 times 1 to raise to the 3rd power and then over 3 plus 1 close. Then for negative, this will be 3 times negative 1 to the 5th over 5 then plus this will be 4 times negative 1 to the 3rd power over 3 then this will be plus negative 1. Okay, so this will be 3 1 or 3 over 5 because this is 1 then plus 4 over 3 then plus 1 minus this one will be negative 3 over 5 then this will be minus 4 over 3 and then negative 1. Okay, negative 1. So 3 over 5 plus 4 over 3 plus 1 minus circle brackets negative 3 over 5 minus 4 over 3 minus 1. So this will be 3 over 5 plus this will be 3 over 5 then plus 4 over 3 then this will be also plus because negative times negative plus 4 over 3 then this will be plus 1 then this will be plus 1 also. So this will be 2. Okay, 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5 then 4. Okay, this will be say 15 then this will be plus 2. Okay, so this will be 15 9 this will also 9 plus 15 divided by 3 is 20 then this is plus 20 then this will be I need to include this one too plus 2 times 15 so this is 40 plus 18 plus 30 this will be 88 so this will be 88 over 15. So this is the answer for number 2. That's all.